It's scary.
It's scary.
Yeah.
You want to sleep here? Is it
No.
like the bone chamber? What do you call
Yeah,
it?
it seems like it's a bone chamber. Because there's like people here. What do you call that? People. So it's real.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabiha. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya at labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Bawat lakad mo lahat sila'y napapatingin. Di mo wari, ba't ganon ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nagkakabaliw. Ano bang ginawa mo? Ako'y naaaliw. Tinatanaw kita pa.
Hey guys, it's me again, Pretty Akhira, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video mga kabesh, nandito tayo sa Lund, isa sa pinakamalaking city sa Skåne, Sweden. At since maganda ang weather ngayon mga kabesh, napakaaliwalas. So, kailangan ko talaga mag-unwind sa sarili ko. So, ito yung pinaka-city ng Lund mga kabesh. Sobrang ganda niya. Hindi ko first time dito, but hindi ko siya na-explore. Dumaan lang ako dito kasi hindi naman ako masyadong gumagala talaga. Kasi nga, ang mahal ng pamasahe ng train. So, minsan lang ako talaga nakakapunta dito. Pero hanggang dito lang din sa city. Pero hindi ko siya na-explore talaga. So, ngayon, since feel ko talagang i-explore ngayon ang Lund. So, samahan nyo ako mga kabesh. Hindi ko talaga alam mga kabesh kung saan ako pupunta. But bahala na kung saan ako dadalhin ng mga paa ko. Nandito lang ako, naglakad-lakad lang talaga. So, samahan nyo ako sa journey ko mga kabesh. Ay nako. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung saan yung magagandang lugar. So, nandito ako sa ito. Ayan. At nandito ako malapit sa church mga kabesh. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ang ganda talaga ng church nila dito. Para siyang palasyo. See? Sobrang ganda nila. Diba ang ganda? Tapos maganda pa yung weather. Nakaka-amaze lang. I-enjoy ko talaga ang paglalakad dito mga kabesh. Ayan. Hahanap tayo ng lugar na magaganda sa paningin. Ayan. Ang tagal ni Apa mga kabesh. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cathedral, Lund Cathedral mga kabesh. Kasama ko si Afam. At nandoon na siya doon sa may pintuan. Papasok daw kami. Nakaka-view ng Cathedral mga kabesh. Sobrang luma niya talaga. Nandito na kami sa loob ng church mga kabesh. Pero hinaanan natin ang boses natin. I need to light a candle. So what's in here? What's in here?
It's a church. It's everything is church needs.
But this is not Catholic, right?
No, it's not. It's a Protestant church. Maybe they gave it France or some country gave this to Sweden, so it's like the style is Catholic.
Are you sure are you sure I'm allowed to do filming here?
Yeah, it's allowed in Sweden.
But it's really nice here, right? So, hinaan na natin mga pusis natin mga kabesh. Kasi bawal. This is for the Holy Week mga kabesh. Let's go.
What's this?
Huh?
This is where you meet the priest.
Yeah, when you tell your, what do you call that?
You want to open a door and go there?
No. It's almost the same. It's the same in the Catholic Church, right?
It's really nice here to come and listen to music and stuff.
Yeah. Pababa kami ngayon sa ilalim ng church mga kabesh. Let's see kung anong meron doon. What's here?
Rings.
It's real? Really?
Well, rich people, I guess.
So they're here. Medyo nanindig yung mga balahibo ko mga kabesh. Kasi may mga puntod pala dito. Hindi ko ina-expect. Nakakatakot naman dito mga kabesh. Hindi ako pwede magsalita ng malakas. Baka mayang pagalitan tayo. Pero ito yung pinaka-view niya. Naalala ko tuloy yung The Mummy na pelikula. What's that? What's in here? Oh, there's a coins. Is it a wishing?
I don't know.
Is it your first time?
Ah,
Is it your first time
here?
here?
No, I've been here before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's nice here.
I thought it's the first time.
No, it's not the first time.
Uh-huh.
First time was with my daddy, actually. We walked through, but we didn't go to the church, but we were in the area here.
So that's the first time?
No, this is the second or third time I've been here with the kids.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
But scary.
It's scary. You want to sleep here? Is it
No.
like the bone chamber? What do you call
Yeah,
it?
it seems like it's a one chamber. Because there's like people here. What do you call that? People. So it's real. We got scary. Can we go now? And I just want to light a candle. Para kami nag-ghost hunting dito mga kabesh. At kayo naman mga kabesh, dito kami sa park mga kabesh. But wala pa siyang masyadong dahon. Kasi nga, medyo malamig pa siya ngayon. But hopefully, may mga dahon na siya next month.
Teenagers, students and teenagers go to this park in when the spring break, or what you call it, to drink a lot of alcohol here and party and hanging in this park. One day a year. But it's been cancelled for 2 years soon. So sometimes I bring the kids here too when they were younger.
This park.
Yeah, this park. And it continues that way.
Huh?
It continues that way.
How big is it?
Central Park. I don't know. It's pretty big.
Do we need to turn around?
It's all the way to Malmö. We can walk.
No. Oh my god.
So here's the swimming hall.
Huh?
Here's the swimming hall.
Swimming hall? Mahaba na rin yung linakad namin ni Apa mga kabesh. Diyos ko, nanakit na yung paa ko. Parang pagod na pagod ako kasi ilang oras na kami nang lalakad. Parang si Apa hindi man lang napapagod. Diyos ko Lord. Bawal ako magreklamo kay Apa mga kabesh. Kasi nga ako yung nagyaya sa kanya na maglakad-lakad dito sa Lund. So, bawal ako magreklamo na pagod na ako. At gutom na rin kasi hindi ako nanananghalian. Wala akong lunch. Pero carry pa rin. So, this is the park. Diyos ko, anong pitsa ng mga kabesh. Sobrang sakit na ng paa ko. At saka nauuhaw na rin ako. Si Apam, wala pa rin hanggang saan kami maglalakad. Naku, Diyos ko Lord. Pero laban lang mga kabesh.
You have parks in Philippines, right? Cebu?
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't forget about that.
Hey mga kabesh, I'm back! Pasensya na mga kabesh, hindi ako nakapag-paalam at nandito na kami sa bahay ngayon kasi low battery yung phone ko at nagpo-full memory yung phone ko kaya hindi na ako nakapag-continue mag-vlog doon sa Lund. Ngayon, since fully charged na yung phone ko, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos mga kabesh. And thank you for supporting me. And I hope you're still supporting me for all my vlogs, coming vlogs. And again, thank you for watching mga kabesh. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I love you all. And don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.